Hey everyone, if your products and services list is starting to look like a giant junk drawer, it's time to categorize. Today, I'm showing you how to create categories in QuickBooks Online so you can group your items and run cleaner reports. Let's get organized. Step 1. Navigate to Products and Services. First, head to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. Under the Lists column, select Products and Services. This is where all your individual items live. Step 2. Access Category Management. Look at the top of the list. Click on the More drop-down button, usually next to the New button, and select Manage Categories. This takes you to the master list of your organizational folders. Step 3. Create the new category. Click the green New Category button in the top right. Give your category a clear name like Landscaping Services or Office Supplies. If you want this to be a subcategory like under Landscaping, check the Is a Subcategory box and pick the parent. Hit Save. Step 4. Assign items to your category. Now, go back to your products and services list. You can quickly assign items by clicking Edit next to any product, selecting your new category from the drop-down menu, and hitting Save and Close. You can also use the Batch Action tool to move multiple items at once. Now, when you run a sales report, you can collapse or expand these categories to see exactly which parts of your business are bringing in the most cash. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.